Hey guys, time is 9:19. I don't know why I'm waking up early or go to sleep early. There's Lily. Oh, can't see it. There's Lily. Come up here, Lily. Lily. Like, come here. So, I just got comfortable here. So, no. Anyway, I don't know why I'm waking up early or anything like that, or go to sleep early. But, oh, Lily's so cute. Why are you hurting them? God, Lily. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. Oh, she's so cute, guys. Yeah. I don't know who I am. But I am. What are you doing to be, Lily? Right? What has been done with me? Yeah. So I've got edit day vlog and edit show station later. I think I missed Jane version, but I gotta catch up with you just double check, cause yeah. See guys, I gotta turn off the camera. She's being so cute. I just opened that and she was cool packing. Hey, what do you want? Hey? Hello. Gotta nick my space out, aren't you? Right, I look on my social media that way, and now she likes saying, please finish. Oh. What do you want, Munchkin? Do you want to go under here? Or is it? What are you doing? Hey, what do you want? She got a mouth. Hey, no lickies. Right? Oof. What do you want? What do you want off me? Ah, so fun to do that. Lily, I'm right to the edge. I got being charged. Ow, how are you kicking me? Why are you kicking me for? Eh? Like, she's my baby, guys. Oh, hey, babe, baby, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, hey, stop doing that, Babs. Right, we need to get Lily. We need to get up. So it's now saving the daily vlog. If you have a look, we've done the thumbnail, but yeah, I am bored now. I've got nothing to do. Time's 10:06. Hopefully this will be a longer vlog than the previous ones. The other one went bed really early that way. In this one, I don't know why. I went to bed again early, and it's only 13 minutes. Dot on 13 minutes and 3 seconds. I'm sorry, it's a short vlog. You guys probably say yes, finally short vlog, but I don't know, during these they gotta be longer obviously, but yeah, I don't know why they're short. Normally they're not short, but I don't know. I just gotta wait. I can't do anything. Gotta wait for it to save. I'll schedule it. Oh, the choo-choo. I might look for some fan fiction. Yeah. So I got some wrap. I got 2 this time, so it'll be not 4, but yeah. And yeah, gotta eat this. And I'll schedule new day vlog ages ago. So new Big Bang Theory. I need to check Jane version. Haven't checked that, but I gotta eat this now. So I haven't vlogged a lot today, only because I'm bored. I think I had a nap, I'm not sure, I don't remember. I'll close my eyes. I'm just really bored, so I gotta play games. This is how bored I am. I have no clue what to do, so I need to refresh that. I'm just really bored. How bored? So bored. So I'm bored.com games. So guys, I've been looking for songs for Tuning Station. Can't find any. I need to find 3 songs. Found one, what's the cover he did. I'm not sure it's full cover. Half, I'm not sure, I think it's a half song he did, but found one. I need to find 2 more. But I can't find any because it's really hard because it's so hard. Because it's just really hard to find it because I've done most of all of it, so I don't know. I just need to find them somewhere, somehow. I have no idea, guys. Literally no idea. There is no songs, cover, remix, new or haven't done yet. Literally, I've done them all. I tried everything. Except, oh, I'll leave that. I don't know who it is. Except for that song I found that I thought I did. And I can't find it. It's getting my nerves. I need to find 2 more songs. 2 more songs. Shut up, phone. 2 more songs and then I'll finish. But no. Oh, it's getting my nerves. Seriously, guys, it's getting my nerves. I can't find them anywhere. I don't know. Ed, please come back because I'm struggling for Tuning Station. I don't know what I'm going to do. I bet ya when the new season, there'll probably no new songs because I've done them. I've done them all. Like, no Touch and Go. Yeah, I've done that. But does it live acoustic? No. I thought he has in a minute, but no. So we need to do that live acoustic so I can do. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I can't do Tuning Station. I need 2 more songs, but then no more songs. And I tried everything. I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. I give up. I just need 2 more songs. I'll look to see what songs I've already done. But I say, oh, about doing an acoustic. Already put that on there. I was like, oh, about this cover. Already done that on there. I'm like, oh, I haven't done this live yet. Yes, I have. So I'm like, okay, go to really old songs that haven't made a cover. I haven't made a acoustic anything. He hadn't made acoustic cover of it. So I can't. You know what I mean? I can't do the old songs because he hasn't made any covers. He just put that song, that babe. I don't know what I'm going to do. I try to put Ed featured Ed, like songs, but there are no new songs, no nothing. Feature, there we go. Ed Sheeran feature, already done that one, already done that one, already done that one, already done that one, already done that one. Guess what, guys? Already done that one. I'm just really annoyed because I can't find any at all. It's really getting my nerves. Because like I said, when a new season, there'd be no songs. He'd be still on holiday. So I'm like, what can I do? So guys, all hope was lost. And then I heard this. Where is it? I never heard of this. I'm not gonna look down because I never heard of this. So I found one song. I featured him. Guess what? 1 more song, and this one gotta take. If I can't find another song, it's just 1 more song I need, and that's it. And that is the hardest. Hold on. Finally found a final song, but right, I went through down, haven't found it, so I don't think I've done it. But I'm really scared that, because when I look down, I'm like, okay, I haven't done it, and when I edit it all, I'm like, I found it, so I have to like delete that and then, you know, try another song. So I don't know. Just gotta wait and find out. I got some YouTube videos and record later. I think I deserve a YouTube video.
How's it going, bros? My name is
Okay, so I got hot chocolate, but not just any hot chocolate. What is hot chocolate, but with whipped cream. It's melting, but still whipped cream. Nom 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 nom. So watching a movie called Cheaper by the Dozen. It's an old one, got it on DVD. I haven't watched it for a long time. It's fun. Got a DVD in it and everything. Let's go watch it, shall we? Ready? Let's go watch it. I love that sound. Every movie comes on, this sound. If you hear this sound, you know movie's on. It's just, I love that sound. Hopefully that sound will come while I'm in the movie, and that sound will come. And then like, yep, I'm in the movie, guys. But oh my god, I love that sound. Guess what, guys? No, I'm watching Cheap by Dozen. Manfred called, talking, and say what. Just say it.
I've never watched it. I've never seen it. I don't know what it's about. I don't know who acts in it. Nothing.
Whoa, no.
She never watched it.
You know what happened last
She never watched it.
You are screaming.
It is, I don't care. It's like a childhood film and she never watched it. You need to watch it. You're going to watch it and so I'm going to force you to watch it.
This is the money maker.
You
I'm not that good
you
at
are going to watch it. You got that? That is an order.
No, we will see. Unless you're going to go out and buy me the goddamn DVD, I'm not watching it.
You're coming round my house and watching it on DVD.
Unless you pick me up from my house and drive me there, I'm not watching it.
Oh yes I am. Saturday, go for it.
It's Saturday, I'm busy, I'm sorry.
Well, I'm forcing you still.
So don't give a damn.
I don't give a damn what you got. You are coming here and watching it.
So I love how I had to turn back around
on Sunday and we'll talk.
to look at
Alright.
the window of Waterstone and all the Harry Potter
Yes,
things.
very well might be related.
You know I'm still vlogging, by the way.
Oh.
I just like, I thought you were going to say something really embarrassing, so like, go on for it.
You know when you pre-ordered your Cursed Child,
Yeah.
how much did do you know how much did you pay when you pre-ordered it or not?
Yeah, you have to pay when...
She didn't make me pay in store.
What?
She didn't make me pay.
Why?
She
What?
just reserved an order for me and she didn't make me pay.
What?
She didn't make me give her any money.
Why?
I don't know. She just gave me a little platform 9 3/4 style ticket and was like, there you go. Yeah. Yeah. How much did you pay for it?
On Amazon?
How much?
I don't remember.
Because in the window it's talking like 20 quid.
Oh, it's not 20 quid on Amazon. I don't think so. Can't remember now.
I mean, it's Harry Potter, so I pay a lot of money for it regardless. If it
Yeah,
was
but-
40 quid, I'd be like, Mom, save up.
Apple smear.
You didn't get me a proper birthday gift to pay for it, Mother.
I'm confused. Why didn't you pay?
I don't know, I was confused as well, but I think when they go back, when it's been released, then she'll make me pay. They won't just give it to me if they give it to me for free. Oh my fucking god, I'll be so happy.
But I don't get it.
I've always thought when you pre-order something, you pay for it.
Oh, the money don't come out sometimes. Sometimes,
You know what I mean? You still technically paid for it.
yeah, when it releases, some stores do that. Like when you pre-order, you put, like me, that
She
what.
didn't make me put my card in. I did not give her a single penny. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Not a single penny was given to this woman. And she was like, right, it's pre-ordered for you.
I'm confused.
Me too.
You better, when she say, oh, by the way, you gotta pay, you better pay.
Oh, as if I'm just going to take the book and run out of the shop, actually.
No, but if she say, just give it you and you don't pay.
You better turn back around and give her the money.
Yeah, because I have to paid for, actually Mum paid for mine, but still.
Exactly what you want to know that you had to pay.
Still.
No, but I got it half price as well, so I got it for a tenner.
I didn't get mine for a tenner.
I did, bitch. Should have gone to Waterstones when it was half price.
Love this song. Best song. Yeah, I love this song when it came on. Got some Wopsips. Wopsips. And I have Wopsips all the time. You know, every time I eat these, right, they always remind me of a scene in Toy Story 2. Can remember them? When the fat guy, they're sleeping, like, and he, fingers are Wopsy. Bullseye like trying to quietly do it but making sound and all that, and like every time I have these, always Toy Story 2 comes to mind. That scene, wait, you know the scene, right? Because Woody was getting his arm back because he had a pocket there, arm there. Nom 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 nom. Notification saying YouTube video now. But you do remember scene, right? Sorry. Remember scene? No? Remember scene? Oh, no. No? You don't remember scene? Don't remember this scene? No? 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 Okay. Also, my favourite song in here. Walking in circles again. I got two of my favourite songs in this movie. Well, they're oldies, but good. Got my dinner now, guys. Time is 20:42. And missed a little bit of Cheaper by Dozen only because I was getting my dinner. But I got my dinner, hot dogs and chips. Didn't fancy this, but yep, num num num. I'm watching YouTube videos in the adverts and all that. But yeah, let's watch. Continue watching it. So guys, I've been putting off doing a tune station really badly. Well, I wasn't putting it off. It's just like, I'll do it in a bit, do it in a bit. Do you want to see time? You don't want to see time, but I've got to show you. 21:42. And normally, I don't leave it this late. Like, except for the one I was talking to someone for a very long time. But still, I don't leave it this late. I wasn't wide awake yet. Hey, laptop, I was talking to the vlog. Anyway, yeah, I don't leave it this late. And I'm sorry, but I've got to do it now. I'm just turn it, there we go. Oh, no, there we go. And yeah, so I got all the information, like I said, guys. It took me time to find it, like the songs, but I found them. So yeah, let's record a tune station. That song called Cry Me River, and that cover Ed has done. Now guys, there's no more news, I know, but at least had one piece of information. So yeah, and by the way, start again. Sorry about that. Oh, by the way, I'm recording, if you didn't know. Yeah, I wanted to do that again. Didn't like it. Didn't like it one bit. Let me use this. Okay. Rightio, here we go. That song called Cry Me River, and that cover had Han? Who's Han? I don't know. That song called Cry Me River, and that cover Ed has done. Now, guys, link for the... I can't even speak. Why can't I speak? That song called Cry Me River, and that cover Ed has... I can't even speak. Ed has done. Ed did. I was going to say Ed did. That song called Cry Me River, and that cover Ed has done. Does. I'm getting... That song called Cry Me River, and that cover Ed did. Why can't I say it? That song called Cry Me River, and that cover Ed did. Now link down description right down below for you. Can't even speak. I don't know why I can't speak, guys. I don't know. I'm a bit yellow. What was that? I don't know. Give me a minute. That song called Cry Me River, and that cover Eddie's. That cover Ed did. Now, link down description box, yeah. That song called Cry Me River, and that cover Ed did. And link down description box down below for you go to list to do. I said it properly then, but I said the wrong thing. Right, no mistakes. The sleeve's coming up. Let's do this. That song called Cry Me River, and that cover Ed did. And link down the description box down below for you go listen to that song. So guys, there's no news at all, but I did give one piece of news, but I haven't got no more. So listen to this second song. I'll play you right now. Told you the sleeves were coming off, even though they stuck on. Yeah, I'll go continue recording, and I catch you while editing. And this is flashing. I've got to put the spare battery in. Yes. Woo! And the police siren. Great. I got edit now, guys. If you didn't notice, and let it go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I hate when you can't see my. I hate when it goes all like that. Right, got edit, so let's go. I can't see it like that, sorry guys. I have finished, guys. Yes, finally finished. I swear I've done this pic before, but I put it on my what to upload on my Asian station, and I'm done, and it stays on that one. And I'm running out of photos. I know season almost over. This is episode 11. You already watched it. Link down description down below. Ah, did you hear that? Oh my god! I don't know if you heard that. Future Sophie, you heard that? Slow-mo that. If not, forget what I said. But, oh god, right. Yeah, I'm going to do a thumbnail, and this is finished already. This is longer one, this is 3 minutes. Yeah, I need to schedule this as well. I'll schedule it later on. I say that, and it's me, and I say, no, but yeah. So guys, I tried to schedule it later if I remember, but I just need to go downstairs that way, and I just can't be arsed. I go when everyone's to bed, but I'm getting tired. Time is only 22:17. I think, or 18 now, but I think we're going out tomorrow to get me some new trainers. I need some. Yeah, so hopefully, and I need to go to the toilet as well. I thought I didn't need a toilet, but yeah, it hurt me. I really go to the toilet, so I'm gonna do that. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. Already watched YouTube videos. We wait and see. But yeah, gotta do something now. Get that out of the way. It's dark down here, no light bulbs, they're gone. I've got TV on and that, unless that opens some light. My tummy is on fire. So I'm eating what's it standing upside down. I hate when it's upside down. And yeah, how good is that? No, my tummy's aching me. I think I'm on soon. It's early, but oh my god, my tummy's like that's what I feel. And I gotta schedule it right now. Asian station. So I can cramp up in my bed and cry. No, cramp up really hurt me. Really hurt me. So I need to go upstairs quickly so I can cuddle my thingy. So yeah. So guys, it's early. It's time 22:39, and I'm tired. I don't know why I'm being so tired lately. I feel like I go to bed early lately. I wake up early lately. I don't know why. I think because I woke up early that I'm tired. But I don't know why, because the new vlogs are shorter. I notice that sometimes when I haven't got my friends about, just us, well, me vlogging, that's it. It's shorter. But I don't know how many long vlogs for myself. I don't know. But I'm so tired. I think I'll get ready to bed. That's the only thing I can do. I don't know why I'm tired. Just lately I have. I don't know what my body's telling me. My body can't stay up late anymore. It's really upsetting. Because I like staying up late. I'm a nighttime person, not the morning or like evening or anything. I'm awake in the afternoon, but I'm I'm not a morning person. I'm a nighttime person, but lately I'm an afternoon person now. But still, don't like it. I'm so tired. Oh, my head is killing me as well. So that's probably why I'm more tired, because my head side here hurts. My tummy don't hurt anymore. But that's why I'm probably tired. So I've got to go to bed now, guys. Like last clip of tired. I just got to go to bed so early. Well, not early, but still. Time 23 now. I just tired time. Without even. Time is now 23:03. And yeah, I'm going to bed. Don't know why I'm tired. Don't know why. And pain is just, I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know. If you know why that I'm going to bed recently early when people are thinking because of college, but I was like it before college. So put a link down. No, sorry, said the wrong words. I mean, put a comment down below. But you know why? Because I don't know why my body's changing it. I don't know why. But I don't go to bed. I'll go to bed now, so hit this vlog, thumbs up button if you enjoy it. And good night. I'll see you tomorrow with another day vlog. Hopefully it can be a day vlogger. Hopefully. Bye. Bye guys.